Hello. So in this video, I'm going to show you how Closify actually uses the Google Scopes, the Gmail API Scopes. Let's first go to Email tab. Let's give access to your Google account or your Gmail account. I'm selecting this account here. I click on Allow. All right, Closify now has access to your Gmail APIs. We use two scopes. One is read and one is compose. Now let's go to campaign. I'll show you how we use both scopes. Let's create a campaign. I'm using a test file here. I'm using the email address that we gave access to. Click on next and I'm selecting a test user file, a file which contains a list of recipients. Right, let's use this one for now. I'll now tell Closify which fields in the CSV file contain the name and the email address. Click on next. All right. Now, Closify is basically a tool for salespeople who want to automate their follow-ups. Now, let me just write a subject line, test one, and some email body. Hi, this is a test email. Now, for sending this first email, we use the scope, which is Compose from Gmail, and this is where we use. So let me just add a quick follow-up. So let's say I'm adding a follow-up email to go out to the same recipient after 2 days, unless we receive a reply. All right. Now this is the follow-up. Hey, just following up. Now what happens is we use the read scope to see if we have received any reply on the first email that was sent out. So we don't transfer any information to the server. We just check if there is a reply or not. In some cases, we check if there is a bounce, so that if it is a bounce, if the original email bounced, then no future emails will be sent to that email address again, and it is marked as bounced. This is just to keep the sender's email address healthy, and that's pretty much it. If I click on next and launch, the system will use the Compose API to send the first email. Using the read API, we will see if there was a response to the first email. If not, we'll again use the Compose API to send the second email. Users don't need to worry about anything, as we do not send any information, or customer data to our servers. We only track numbers, and it's only a yes or no flag in most cases. So that's pretty much it. I won't launch this campaign right now. This is just for the demo purpose.